Hey guys, welcome back to Fair Iron and Customs. I'm Michael. I'm taking this video on my camera. So what's going on today is, even though we didn't get anything accomplished on the car, we got actually a lot accomplished. I mean, I feel like I went to go pick up some steel to work on the car and it took longer than I thought it would. I went to go to Lowe's. It took longer than I thought it would. You see where I'm going. And that's just the way this is sometimes, you know, behind the scenes and February daily. You know, if you're going to post daily content, sometimes you don't get anything done. But, so I got 3 sheets of steel. The price of steel has gone down to about half of what it was the last time I bought a sheet of steel. I think this was $87 a sheet today in Goldsboro, North Carolina. I do not know what it'll be next week. It may be cheaper than that. It may be more than that. I bought 20 foot of 1/4 inch round rod, of hot roll round rod. And y'all see what I'm gonna do with that whenever we get into doing the car. And we're gonna try to get back on it tomorrow. I do have one more thing that I want to do. Well, I'd like to sweep the shop some more. I'd move the welders around. They're over here. And I got to clean the top of them off. Got the cricket out of the floor. I'm actually going to take the, I think I'm going to take the Everlast and put it on, go ahead and put it on top of the Miller TIG. So I have both of my TIGs together and the TIG bottle together and put the small Miller on the small cart so I can use it to weld up the car, because that was my intention is. But I'm going to break down this table that's in the middle of the shop that I'm using. Put that piece of MDF behind over here. And I'm not going to do it tomorrow, but sometime in the next few days. Actually got a couple of ideas, things that needs to be done in the shop. I need to get the wife's hood. Let me flip this around for you. I need to get the hood off of the Mazda. I want to hang it on the wall up here. Hopefully won't nothing damage it there. And I'm thinking about where Febudaily come from was from Jeff at Just Cause Customs. And he has his hanging in the ceiling. So I think I'm gonna actually build a mount and mount my plasma cutter up there, since it's usually in the middle of the shop where I use it. So anyway, like I said, it's gonna be a real short video today, and that's it. I'll see y'all tomorrow, and we're gonna try to shape some metal tomorrow. I'm looking real forward to shaping these fender wells, and looking forward to that challenge. Kind of nervous about it, but still looking forward to it at the same time. I'll see you guys later.